am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my August IPSY bag for you. It's cute, kind of, what is this, canvas or something bag? So let's just go ahead and get started. I have a little bitty, teeny tiny little baby MAC mascara. MAC is not cruelty free though, and I've used MAC mascaras in the past. They're great and all, but anyway, I'm just gonna throw this in a giveaway pile or something. Next thing in here is from ORIBE, and this is the Matte Waves Texture Lotion, and I have actually gotten a sample of this before, but I liked it, so I'm happy to have another sample because ORIBE stuff is expensive. And it's just a nice, like, kind of a texture lotion that you put in your damp hair. It's not like your typical like sea salt kind of a thing, but it does add a little bit of texture to your hair, and I actually really like it, so I will keep that. And then I have this brush from Crown Brush. This is a blush and highlighter brush. It has a little, you know, indent right here. It's actually off centered so that you can put like your thumb and your finger here or something. I don't know. It's a little weird, but you know, I understand what they're going for. The brush itself is nice. This is definitely one of the higher quality brushes from Crown. I swear, some of their stuff is janky, but some of it is good, and this one actually feels really nice. It's very soft. It is somewhat dense, and you can see it's a little bit pinched here, but it's kind of round. Like the shape of it, I feel like would be a good blush, maybe a good highlighter brush, but it's a little bit too dense for that, I feel. I think this might be better for like a powder foundation or something, or maybe contour or something that, you know, usually for blush, I wanna go light and fluffy. Same with my highlight, I wanna go light and fluffy. So I don't know, I've used this a couple of times and I feel like it's one of those brushes that I will eventually find its perfect use, but so far I feel like for what it's meant for, it's not my favorite, but it's a good quality brush, if that makes any sense at all. Okay, and then I have two makeup products. I am wearing both of these today. This one is from Kaleido Cosmetics, and this is Skin Blush, and I have the color, what do I have, Primadonna? Yeah, Primadonna, and this is the full size, and the full size is $8, which is a nice, inexpensive, it's freaking impossible to open this damn thing. There it goes, okay. It has a nice little mirror in there, and I do love the color. It's kind of a shimmery pink, you know, oh, there's a lot of swatches on that hand, isn't there? Whoops, should have washed those off. A new eyeliner I'm trying out. Okay, let's see, can we do it right here? So you can see it's a pretty pink, right? And I have it on my cheeks today, and I really, really like it. It goes on really nicely. I've only used it a couple of times, but it seems to last, and it blends out nicely, and all that good stuff. And it's cruelty-free and vegan as well, which is nice. It's also gluten-free, so I'm excited about this. And then the other thing I have in here is from Dirty Little Secrets, and this is a bronzer in Skinny Dip. And I have this on my face as well as my eyes. I used it like an eyeshadow. What is with these things being impossible to open? Anyway. It's on like my cheeks and my nose and like pretty basically everywhere. And then I also have it on my eyes. I used it as eyeshadow. You can use this dry or wet. The first time I used it, I felt like it wasn't very pigmented, but then I used it again and I was like, oh, it's pretty buildable actually. So let's see if I can get a good swatch for you. I don't know, maybe it's my skin tone. I can like barely see it. Can you guys see it? Let's build it up, shall we? Let's see if we can build it up. Okay, it's definitely building. And it is a really nice bronzy color. It is very shimmery. So this I feel is more like highlight territory because it's crazy shimmery. But like I said, I have it on all over my cheeks and my forehead and my nose, and I like the way that it looks. It definitely looks very bronzy. I love the color on my eyes, and it blends nicely and everything. So I've really been liking this as well. So, and this one, I think this is also the full size, and this is $14, which is nice. And again, cruelty free, which is great. So happy about all the cruelty free stuff. So anyway, that is my IPSY for the month of August. Let me know what you guys got and what you liked and didn't like and all that good stuff. I will leave my referral link in the description box in case you don't already get IPSY for whatever reason. Also, I will have my BoxyCharm and my Ricky's Cult Crushes box is coming up, as well as Julep. I got a Julep box this month. You can see my Julep nails. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all of the information in the description box as always, so make sure you check that out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!